Now we're going to unbox some other camera gear items which provide additional options for camera mounting and in handheld video shooting. I can mount my cameras to help me grip, grab, and position the cameras better when doing shoots. So I'm going to do two pieces today. Both are handheld grips, and today we'll be looking at two different sizes and shapes. They each do similar things, but in slightly different ways. Both are made by a company called Zeadio, and we're going to take a look and see what they look like and see how they're packaged. The photo on this box shows both a GoPro and a cell phone mounted onto the grip. And I intend to utilize this for both of those and hopefully my larger body full frame cameras and crop sensor cameras as well. I can cut that little seal right there as we open the box and take a look. As you can see, that's got a little grip panel there, and there are multiple different screw mounts on both sides depending on what type of accessory you're trying to mount on the grip. And that's nice. And this is obviously the holder for a cell phone. I can envision a lot of applications for that. And let's see what else we've got with that. Oh, we have a bigger handle and all the mounting accoutrements or accoutrement. More adapters, another handle grip. Well, that'll come in handy. Different mounting bolts to attach to the grip. A GoPro mount / bolt. So that's ready to go. An instruction manual, of course. That seems pretty self-explanatory, but it's always nice to have that. And now the big handle. You can begin by carrying a camera like this, and it's got a lot of different locations to put the camera at different distances, forward and back, or you can just set it down like that, which is also pretty cool. Yeah, that's pretty nice. I think we can get a lot of use out of this. You can use one or both parts at the same time too. So that's another cool part about it. So this is the Zeadio handheld grip. There are several applications that I can see for this. A regular full-sized camera, a cell phone, or mount different lights, all kinds of cameras, and of course, microphones, shotgun microphone, a wireless lav receiver, or anything like that. So pretty cool. I look forward to using that one. And now a second different type of grip, also made by Zeadio. But this one has two softer handles. And the last one I just opened had just the one side with the big soft gripped handle. And this one has two sides for gripping like that. So let's open that. And here we go, another instruction manual. So that's pretty self-explanatory as usual. Here's the main mounting plate, but this one also has two mounting bolts on it. Standard size for a typical camera. It also has little feet, so you can stand it on its own. That's pretty cool. Of course, handle one, handle two. Which way does it possibly go? I'm thinking like kind of goes just one way. And I guess that sandwich is in between. It kind of snaps in like that. Oh, I see. So this one slides in. This one goes in. So nice click. So this obviously needs to go on first. So we're going to do that. There are screws in there, but I'm not going to go and screw it in right now. I just want to get it together and then look at these as 1 and 2, and they both kind of go upward at the same time. And there you go. And again, I like that it's got these rubber feet and it's very sturdy on a surface like that. Of course, you can mount the cameras there, and it comes with lots of other additional brackets. So there's a cell phone expanding holder. I'm not going to take everything out of their individual plastic bags since I'm not ready to use them yet. And there's a GoPro shoe, a GoPro mount that slides into the shoe, and another GoPro mount. I guess I'll be able to use my GoPro a lot for a multitude of activities. Oh, and even an Allen wrench and a GoPro bolt and the screws. So the screws are obviously for this end of the bracket. So screw go there, and that's where that goes. And that's that. So I look forward to using that too. I have a video shoot in a couple of days and then another shoot coming up, which is mostly photography a little bit later. So we'll take a look and see how it goes. I'm very excited. These both feel very nice. They're very sturdy, not heavy, and they feel capable of doing what I'm looking to do, which is mount either a Canon 5D Mark III in here, or I just recently got the Canon R6 Mark II, which I'll be using for shooting mostly video stuff, and probably use the grips for a lot of cell phone video and or GoPro. I love the flexibility of it, and so far so good. So I think we're going to like this product.